How to use Proxy by Janitor AI step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. Want to unlock Janitor AI without limits? Today I'll show you how to use setup Proxy step by step. Step 1. Create an account, go to Janitor AI and sign up using Google, Twitter, or Discord. Step 2. Choose a chatbot, browse and select a character to chat with. Step 3. Open API settings, click the menu on the upper right or the three lines on the chat screen. Step 4. Select the AI model, choose OpenAI as the provider or select the model GPT 3.5 Turbo. Step 5. Get a reverse proxy. Search Janitor AI reverse proxy GitHub in your browser. Step 6. Insert the janitor in your Janitor AI. Go back to your API settings, paste a proxy URL into the API key section. Step 7. Chat or start chatting, click save, and you're ready to use Janitor AI with no restrictions. And that's it. Now you can use your Janitor AI without any limits. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just drop a comment if you have any questions. See you on the next one.